Oh, classroom users. Hey, you just want to kind of look over what it might look like for a week's worth of work for your student and a good way to organize that so that there's not confusion and the student knows exactly what to do. So right here I have one topic. This is a topic I've created for this week. And then to begin with, at the top, I have a checklist. The learning goals are right there. There's also an area that helps the student understand why they're spending time doing these things. And then there's a checklist of all the things they need to do for that week. Then the various activities are listed below in kind of a chronological order of how I would like the student to complete them. Then the student would know what to do throughout the entire week, and there would be less confusion about that, especially as parents are looking at this. One other thing we're thinking may be happening is some students are seeing all assignments because we believe they may be just following what is posted on the stream. And can you imagine continuing to do that by looking at the stream? So assure that you have instructed your students to use the classwork tab, and then they can find those modules and get right to work on what they need. Have a good day.